Khabayaz ghar, I'm trying to get my racks up. Khabayaz ghar, I kill any rapper. Khabayaz AFM got my back, bruh. Khabayaz, if you believe in the boys, you better stand up. Khabayaz. I got the best flow, but you already know that. For what you don't know, let me do a throwback. It was like 2 years back when I started rapping. Trying to fool around, but hip-hop became a blessing. And now the level I'm on is something else, homie. I ain't make it yet, but the best know me. Cause once you give me the beat, I bring in the heat, I'm ready to eat. Knock you off your feet, up in the beat, so rest in peace. Dang, I'm impressed by me sometimes. Well, if don't, you kill my vibe. And I guess I'm the best of my time. You gotta love me when I'm spitting all these rhymes. Khabayaz ghar, I'm trying to get my racks up. Khabayaz ghar, I kill any rapper. Khabayaz AFM got my back, bruh. Khabayaz, if you believe in the boys, you better stand up. Khabayaz.
Now everybody wants the top spot, just like me. Most better you the shortcuts, not like me. I was born for this ish like don't all beat. Cause I'm motobole energy, you can't destroy me. Yeah, I speak knowledge. Fuck speed I listen, nigga. For inola in a pool of confusion. Yeah, I'm a nigga on a mission. My mission is on television. Beefing with me is a suicide mission. Hating on me is a stupid ass mission. I never gave a even though I'm no virgin. Tell if Kintona to say that I'll push a passion.
Khabayaz ghar, I'm trying to get my racks up. Khabayaz ghar, I kill any rapper. Khabayaz AFM got my back, bruh. Khabayaz, if you believe in the boys, you better stand up. Khabayaz, I'm trying to make it big like no one did. The baddest in my time, you know I'm it. Now I'm paper chasing, mama gotta see me make it. No doubt in the boy, she told me I'm the greatest. I'm trying to sound different. You can't move with the flow, you better drown in it. AFM be the fam, we gotta stay with it. Lefuko told you already, we grind on the mission. Yeah, we been hustling, so we gotta blow. We coming, so they better know we killing beats and getting go. Who thought I kicked this crazy flow?
Now doors opening for me like they been automatic. And if you running with me, well, you gonna have it.
Khabayaz ghar, I'm trying to get my racks up. Khabayaz ghar, I kill any rapper. Khabayaz AFM got my back, bruh. Khabayaz, if you believe in the boys, you better stand up. Khabayaz Khabayaz